2024 Honda BR-V N7X Edition versus 2024 Honda BR-V Standar, this is the difference. Honda Prospect Motor, HPM, launched the BR-V N7X Edition at the 2024 Indonesia International Motor Show, IMS, at Jaya Expo, Kemayoran, Central Jakarta, on 15 to 25 February 2024. In appearance, the Honda BR-V N7X still maintains the all-new design Honda BR-V, but with a more stylish appearance similar to the N7X concept which debuted in 2021. Through the special grade introduced today, we want to provide more value for consumers by making the BR-V's appearance even more stylish, similar to the concept offered by the N7X, said Yusak Billy, Sales and Marketing and After Sales Director of PT Honda Prospect Motor, Thursday, February 15, 2024. Following are a number of differences between the BR-V N7X Edition and the standard variant. New Sand Khaki Pearl color. Honda presents one of its favorite colors, namely Sand Khaki Pearl, on the Honda BR-V N7X. The khaki color itself was chosen because it is in line with the stylish concept, where in the fashion world this color is known to represent a classic, elegant, and timeless character. The Sand Khaki Pearl color itself was first introduced on the all-new Honda HR-V model in 2022. Since its introduction, this color has become one of the best-selling colors and is always in demand by Honda HR-V consumers. Additional cosmetics. Apart from having a new, fresher color, the BR-V N7X Edition now has a more stylish design with a two-tone concept that combines black with chrome. This special grade also carries the N7X Edition emblem which is located on the front grille. Changes to the exterior of the new BR-V N7X Edition include the addition of the new exclusive N7X Edition Aero Kit which consists of a front underspoiler, side underspoiler, rear underspoiler and dark chrome emblem. This cosmetic is not available on the standard Honda BR-V. On the front there is also a new sleek dark chrome front grille combined with chrome garnish, as well as a new LED fog light with stylish chrome garnish. Continuing to the side, there is a new power retractable black door mirror with LED turning signal, as well as the wheels which now use black wheel arch protectors, as well as 17-inch progressive black alloy wheel design rims, which make the appearance even more attractive. At the stern, there is an additional tailgate spoiler which is added with a new black shark fin antenna and new reflector garnish. All of these cosmetic updates included on the Honda BR-V N7X Edition are not available on the standard variant. From the heart rate sector, the new Honda BR-V N7X Edition still maintains the largest engine in its class. Just like the Honda BR-V Prestige variant, namely the i-VTEC DOHC 1.5L which is capable of producing a maximum power of 121 PS, 119 TK, at an engine speed of 6,600 RPM and a maximum torque of 145 Nm at an engine speed of 4,300 RPM. The new Honda BR-V N7X Edition is also supported by advanced Honda sensing safety technology. This safety technology includes collision mitigation brake system, auto-high, lane keeping assist system, lead car departure notification system, LCDN. There is also road departure mitigation, RDM, adaptive cruise control, ACC, as well as various advanced features such as Honda Lane Watch, remote engine start, walk-away auto lock, and smart entry system. Talking about price, the price tag for the new Honda BR-V N7X Edition is offered starting from IDR 319,400,000 for the eCVT type. The Prestige type is priced at IDR 343,400,000 and the Prestige with Honda Sensing type is IDR 363,400,000. Differences between the exterior of the Honda BR-V N7X Edition and the standard BR-V. Therefore, the changes to the BR-V N7X Edition focus on the exterior appearance with new, more stylish colors and standard models, the addition of aero kits and garnishes, as well as a new, more iconic name. There are several differences between the regular BR-V and the BR-V N7X Edition. The first is the addition of the new Sand Khaki Pearl color which is only available for the N7X Edition. The khaki color makes the BR-V N7X Edition look more macho because it is associated with an adventurous aura. The khaki color was chosen because it represents a classic, elegant, and timeless character. The Sand Khaki Pearl color was first introduced on the all-new Honda HR-V 2022. Since its introduction, this color has become one of the best-selling colors and is always in demand by HRV consumers. Another difference, on the BR-V N7X Edition, there is the addition of an aero kit which consists of a front underspoiler, side underspoiler, rear underspoiler and dark chrome emblem. The characteristic is that on the regular BR-V model the front grille blades and lights are chrome colored, while for the BR-V N7X Edition everything is black chrome. Black can also be found on the mirrors, which is different from the regular BR-V model, where the mirror color follows the body color. Apart from that, black is also found on the door handles, rear spoiler, shark fin antenna on the roof and reflector garnish. Then the wheels now use black wheel arch protectors which are even sportier with the new 17-inch progressive black alloy wheel design. Another touch is that the 17-inch rims have also changed to black. This simple change makes the appearance of the BR-V N7X Edition's legs feel different because it adds a sporty impression. Another difference is personal identity, because the car uses a special N7X Edition emblem which is located on the front grille. The name N7X is an abbreviation of New 7-Seater Excitement as a 7-passenger SUV that is comfortable, safe, and tough. The engine remains the same, namely a 1,500 cubic centimeters Hart, i-VTEC DOHC which is capable of producing a maximum power of 119 TK at 6,600 RPM and a maximum torque of 145 Nm at an engine speed of 4,300 RPM. Indonesia gets the all-new 2024 Honda BR-V N7X Edition. Honda unveiled the all-new BR-V N7X Edition during the Indonesia International Motor Show, IIMS, 2024 currently underway at the Jakarta International Expo Kemayoran. The new BR-V boasts a sleeker and stylish design reminiscent of the N7X concept previewed in 2021. The new BR-V N7X Edition boasts a modern two-tone design featuring black and chrome accents and an all-new aero kit. The latter comprises a front underspoiler, a side underspoiler, a rear underspoiler, and a dark chrome emblem. The front is kit with a new sleek dark chrome grille with chrome garnish along with new fog lights. The N7X Edition emblem is also positioned on the grille. N7X is an abbreviation of New 7-Seater Excitement, highlighting the rugged characteristic of the passenger SUV. Further adding to the SUV's sporty appearance are the new power-retractable black door mirrors with LED turning signals, new black shark fin antenna, dark chrome emblems, and new 17-inch alloys with black arch protectors. An all-new Sand Khaki Pearl option is also added to the SUV's color palette, available exclusively for the N7X Edition. Other color choices include premium opal white pearl, meteoroid gray metallic, and crystal black pearl. The spacious and comfortable cabin of the new BR-V N7X Edition is adorned with sleek black leather trim seats, adding a luxurious touch. The steering wheel and gear lever are also covered in black leather for an upmarket feel. The SUV also comes packed with advanced Honda sensing safety tech, providing comfort and ensuring the protection of all passengers. The safety features include collision mitigation brake system TM, auto-high, lane keeping assist system, lead car departure notification system, road departure mitigation, and adaptive cruise control. Also part of the kit are Honda Lane Watch, remote engine start, walk-away auto-lock, and smart entry system. Under the bonnet, the special edition BR-V houses the same setup found on the standard model. That's a 1.5-liter i-VTEC 4-cylinder DOHC engine that pumps out a maximum power of 121 PS at 6,600 RPM and a peak torque of 145 Nm at 4,300 RPM. The power is sent to the front wheels via a continuously variable transmission. Honda Indonesia offers the BR-V N7X Edition in 3 variants: e-CVT, Prestige CVT, and Prestige at the following prices. Honda BR-V N7X Edition e-CVT IDR 319.4 million, approximate Rm 97K. Honda BR-V N7X Edition Prestige CVT IDR 343.4 million, approximate Rm 104K. Honda BR-V N7X Edition Prestige IDR 363.4 million, approximate Rm 110K. Closer to home, a Honda BR-V was discontinued in Malaysia last year to make space for the compact WR-V.